Your customers are already texting everyone else in their life. Why not you? Texting is fast, it gets read, and for a lot of prospects, it's just how they prefer to communicate. Start a conversation over text, or just text somebody when you need a small piece of information, like a time, an address, or just to confirm when you're going to meet up. It's one of the most used features in an 800.com account, and you can actually text from a local number and also from your 800 number. There's just one thing standing between you and texting, and that's getting verified. Here's the deal. Carriers require verification so that nobody can just blast spam to thousands of people at a time. All it really means is proving that your business is a real business and then tying it to the number that you'll be texting from. It takes a couple of days to a couple of weeks on their end, so that's why it's important to start verification right now and not on the morning that you want to start texting people. It's just a 5-minute form, so let me walk you through it. First, you'll go to Settings, and then SMS Verification. Now, I don't have any numbers verified yet, so I'll start from this page. I can verify my toll-free or local number. I'm going to go for toll-free on this one. Click over here, plus verify number, and then most people will be able to choose just quick setup. There's not really any reason for you to need advanced setup unless our support team tells you need to. A lot of your business information will already be in this field. Any information that you've given 800.com will auto-populate here, but it's very, very important. Every single piece of this information matches the legal name and address and everything else that's associated with your company. Even tiny little differences like a missing comma or something like that can mean that your number does not go through with verification. So be very, very careful when you're filling all of this out, including your legal name, brand name, business address, website, vertical, phone number, and email. When you make any changes here, you'll also be given the option to update your 800.com account details. You can update them if that makes sense, or you can just skip it. Here you choose the number to verify, and then you choose your business entity type, registration country, registration type, and the tax ID or EIN. Once this all looks right, make sure you, again, double check it. Then you're just going to hit submit. Okay, now you'll get this confirmation that your toll-free or local number has been submitted for SMS verification. Generally, it should take just a few days, but you can keep track of this on the SMS verification status page. This is what some of the statuses will look like when they come through. This is a number that's been verified. This is a number that's been rejected, and you'll get a decline reason. And then here's one that's just been expired. As always, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to our support team and enjoy being able to text your customers and prospects from the same number that shows up on your website and marketing. Have a good one.